Peace and blessings be unto all my brothers and sisters out there. My name's Elijah St. John. Yeah, this is the year of change, and I know none of the pagan them never want this come out publicly, especially from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Yo, Justin Trudeau, I gotta ask the I and I before the world. When are you gonna stop lying to the people? Hmm? Don't mean to diss you like this guy, but I've been to your members of Parliament's office, all of them in Calgary, Alberta. I've phoned Ottawa, and up till today, bruh, you ain't got back in touch with me, bruh. So now I'm putting it out on the media, social media, bruh. Since your members of Parliament who are employed to do their job ain't doing their job, I'm going to address you publicly. So, Mr. Justin Trudeau, Prime Minister of Canada, remember me? We met on Center Street when you were here. And then we met at your little get-togethers, your little fancy banquets, and hee-haw, and vote for me, and whatever concerns we have, we should bring them to your members of Parliament. They'll bring it to your attention, and you'll deal with the case. Well, apparently, you ain't dealt with none of my cases. And all of my cases contradicts every damn thing you say before the international stage. For example, I, Elijah St. John, has proven hands down, no if, no ands, no buts, as to who I am, my status, my jurisdiction. I'm the highest ranking ambassador and diplomat on this planet. I'm a high priest, a messiah, and a king, whose name is written in all the holy books. And yet still, y'all want to disrespect me because I'm a black man, but y'all want to run to the Pope Lucifer, the devil himself, for blessings? Are you people for real? Check yourselves, man. Y'all about to get wrecked, man. So you know what I'm saying? You all need to smarten up. Alright? Now, I'm going to introduce to you the Heavenly Council. And first of all, I'm going to introduce a track, and then we'll get into it. Peace and blessings be unto all my brothers and sisters globally. I, Elijah Yahya St. John the Divine Baptist, would like to introduce myself in the heavenly family. Peace be unto my King of Kings, the conquering Lion of Judah. Peace be unto my Lord of Lords. Peace be unto Michael. Peace be unto Faithful and True. Peace be unto the High Council. Peace be unto the four living wheel and the four living creatures. And as I say to my Nubian brothers and sisters, we are the True Star children. I'm back and we're going home. Now, I'm going to light my spliff while you listen to a little soundtrack here. The Return of the True Black Messiahs and The White Devils Can't Lie. Or deceive us anymore. Seen? This is a time of revelation. I've asked you pagans to prove me wrong, and up till today, you nor the Muslims can't prove a damn thing, but y'all want to come jump in my chest? Hey, the last guy to jump in my chest is still flat on his back, so remember that, yeah? Blessings to the Most High. All respect due. See? That's the last guy. Yo, punk. Life is not a bed of roses. No. Learn to swallow all the pain. I've done that for many years. Ice is running through my veins. It's your turn for justice now, pussy. I could never be alone. I come with a bunch of angels, guy. Straight up. And all 12 tribes of Judah to unite. The Most High. Word. We conquer them like Mussolini. Out of Babylon, the Rastafarians are leaving. Yeah, enough of them not get the message from the master. They run go church and look the blessing from the pastor. He not confused and them a dwell what happen after. Them are going up in disaster. Yeah, a disaster for all wicked people. Hey, let me tell you something. Since I and Rastaman get my vibration and the energies coming from within, it's been such a beautiful thing and a beautiful experience. But you pagans, I'm gonna try to wreck everything for everybody. That's why y'all gonna get blotted out of the book of life. I'm gonna come for skin teeth. See? So, just a word of warning to the wise. I'm back. It ain't no game. I'm gonna come for pet nor powder. Now, pagans, I told you to let my people go. You owe us, and you owe us in gold, okay?